Welcome to Animal Realm, your ultimate destination for all things wild. Let's know about. The goblin shark is a rare species of deep-sea shark, sometimes called a living fossil. It is the only extant representative of the family Mitsucarinidae, a lineage some 125 million years old. This pink-skinned animal has a distinctive profile with an elongated, flat snout and highly protrusible jaws containing prominent nail-like teeth. It is usually between 3 and 4 m long when mature, though it can grow considerably larger, such as one captured in 2000 that is thought to have measured 6 m. Goblin sharks are benthopelagic creatures that inhabit upper continental slopes, submarine canyons, and seamounts throughout the world at depths greater than 100 m, with adults found deeper than juveniles. Some researchers believe that these sharks could also dive to depths of up to 1,300 m for short periods of time.
Description:
The goblin shark has a distinctively long and flat snout, resembling a blade. The proportional length of the snout decreases with age. The eyes are small and lack protective nictitating membranes. Behind the eyes are spiracles. The large mouth is parabolic in shape. The jaws are very protrusible and can be extended almost to the end of the snout, though normally they are held flush against the underside of the head. It has 35 to 53 upper and 31 to 62 lower tooth rows. The teeth in the main part of the jaws are long and narrow, particularly those near the symphysis, and are finely grooved lengthwise. The rear teeth near the corners of the jaw are small and have a flattened shape for crushing. Much individual variation of tooth length and width occurs. As for whether the teeth have a smaller cusplet on each side of the main cusp, and regarding the presence of toothless gaps at the symphysis or between the main and rear teeth. The 5 pairs of gill slits are short, with the gill filaments inside partly exposed. The 5th pair is above the origin of the pectoral fins. The body is fairly slender and flabby. The 2 dorsal fins are similar in size and shape, both being small and round has assessed it as least concern, despite its rarity, citing its wide distribution and low incidence of capture. Distribution and habitat. The goblin shark has been caught in all 3 major oceans, indicating a wide global distribution. In the Atlantic Ocean, it has been recorded from the northern Gulf of Mexico, Suriname, French Guiana, and southern Brazil in the west, and France, Portugal, Madeira, and Senegal in the east. It has also been collected from seamounts along the mid-Atlantic ridge. In the Indo-Pacific and Oceania, it has been found off South Africa, Mozambique, Japan, Taiwan, Australia, and New Zealand. This species has been recorded from off East Cape to Kaikoura Canyon and from the Challenger Plateau near New Zealand. A single eastern Pacific specimen is known, collected off Southern California. This species is most often found over the upper continental slope at depths of 270 to 960 m. It has been caught as deep as 1,300 m, and a tooth has been found lodged in an undersea cable at a depth of 1,370 m. Adults inhabit greater depths than juveniles. Immature goblin sharks frequent the submarine canyons off southern Japan at depths of 100 to 350 m, with individuals occasionally wandering into inshore waters as shallow as 40 m. On April 19, 2014, fishermen in Key West, Florida, while fishing in the Gulf of Mexico, caught a goblin shark in their fishing net, only the second one ever to be caught in the Gulf. The shark was photographed and released back into the water. The first shark found in the Gulf was caught by commercial fishermen on July 25, 2000 at a depth of approximately 919 to 1099 m and is thought to have been about 20 feet long. Anatomy and physical characteristics. Unique appearance. The goblin shark is easily recognizable by its distinctive features, including its elongated, flat snout, protruding jaws, and pinkish-gray skin. These features are adaptations to its deep-sea habitat and specialized feeding behavior. Teeth and jaws. The goblin shark has a unique jaw mechanism that allows it to extend its jaws forward to capture prey. Its teeth are long, slender, and sharp, designed for grasping and holding onto slippery prey. Size and weight. Goblin sharks are typically between 3 to 4 meters in length, although some individuals have been recorded at over 6 meters, 20 feet. They can weigh up to 200 kilograms. Coloration. Despite their pinkish-gray skin, goblin sharks are not actually pink. The color comes from the blood vessels underneath their skin, which are visible due to their translucent skin. Habitat and distribution. Deep sea dwellers. Goblin sharks are found in deep waters around the world, typically at depths of 200 to 1,200 meters, 650 to 3,900 feet. They are most commonly found near underwater continental slopes and submarine canyons. Global distribution. Goblin sharks have been recorded in various locations, including the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They are most commonly encountered off the coast of Japan, where they are sometimes caught by deep-sea fishermen. Behavioral adaptations. Due to the extreme depths at which they live, goblin sharks have adapted to low light conditions and use their electroreceptive organs to detect prey in the darkness of the deep sea. Feeding behavior and diet. Ambush predators. Goblin sharks are ambush predators, lying in wait for prey to come within striking distance before extending their jaws to capture it. They feed primarily on fish, squid, and crustaceans. Jaw extension. The goblin shark's unique jaw extension mechanism allows it to rapidly protrude its jaws forward to catch prey. This adaptation is thought to be an evolutionary response to the scarcity of food in the deep sea. Digestive system. Goblin sharks have a slow digestive system, allowing them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their food. This adaptation helps them survive in the nutrient-poor environment of the deep sea. Reproduction and life cycle. Reproductive strategies. Very little is known about the reproductive behavior of goblin sharks due to their deep-sea habitat. It is believed that they reproduce via internal fertilization, like most shark species. Growth and development. Goblin sharks are thought to have a relatively slow growth rate, reaching maturity at around 30 years of age. They are believed to live for up to 60 years or more. Population and conservation status. Due to their deep-sea habitat and elusive nature, goblin sharks are not well studied, and population estimates are unknown. However, they are not considered to be threatened or endangered. Conclusion. In conclusion, the goblin shark is a fascinating and mysterious creature of the deep sea. With its unique appearance, specialized feeding behavior, and deep-sea habitat, the goblin shark represents a remarkable adaptation to life in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. While much remains unknown about these enigmatic creatures, continued research and conservation efforts are essential to ensuring their survival and unlocking the secrets of the deep sea. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey through the animal realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Until next time, stay wild and explore the beauty of nature.